Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another makeup tutorial for you. Please like and subscribe and comment below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Alright, so please excuse the terrible lighting, but I didn't bring my ring light because my bag was just way too packed when I was moving here, so we're gonna have to deal. Okay, so for my first step, I'm gonna start with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And I actually did already put that on, so my eyebrows are already gelled up. So we'll move on to our next step. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the Urban Decay Brow Blade in shade Top A, and we're gonna fill these babies in. So first I'll get out that felt tip and just go ahead and start filling. So don't judge these brows, I'm trying to grow them out because I plucked them way too much before I left. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out this crayon end and just fill them in even more. Some may say don't do that because they look dark, but I'm doing it, okay? Because it's complicated, fast, and simple. Oh my gosh, so literally, I set this down like on this shelf and it almost fell straight into the sink. And there's no clogger, so it would have literally just been gone. Oh my gosh. But it didn't, okay? That really scared me. All right, so I think that's our temporary brow. I might go in and fix them in a bit, but that's what we got. Okay, so for my next step, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe Filter Effect Concealer. And we're gonna put concealer on first before cover up. So the reason that I'm doing that is because I was telling one of my roommates that I wanted to learn like more European makeup styles, and she said that's something that Europeans do. So comment below if you're European and confirm or deny it, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna do concealer first. Okay, so we got our concealer on. Now I'm gonna blend it out. Concealer is blended, so we'll go ahead and switch to cover up. And for right now, I'm using the Sephora Airbrush Mist, my favorite kind of cover up. And this is in shade medium. So I'm just gonna pull my hair back because I'm too lazy to clip it. And we're gonna spray this right on. So it just gives me a little bit of light coverage. I really like this cover up because you can barely even tell you're wearing anything. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lolita palette. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a little close up. Pretty old palette, but I love it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the color Pro Mesa and just set a little base. Pro Mesa, and I'm gonna get, actually I'll just use this side of the eyeshadow brush. And we're gonna do a little crease cut. Okay, so the food just got here, so I'm gonna do a little pause, but first I'll go ahead and do my eyeliner, and this is with the Maybelline Master Precise All Day in shade Black. Alright, so for our next step, we'll go ahead and do some setting powder. The setting powder that I'm using right now is the Mercier translucent setting powder. So here we go. Okay, so we'll put on the setting powder. Okay, so now we'll blend it in. So please excuse the shit lighting in here, like literally, it's so terrible. I tried to open the window shade, but it's like a metal rusty thing and I'm not touching it, so. Okay, I did forget to contour. Typically I'd contour before setting powder, but we'll just skip on that today. Now that we're set, we're gonna get the Adelaine Morin palette by Tarte. Okay, so I got on my blush. Now we'll go ahead and highlight with the same palette. This one is called Promise Ring. So I'm gonna also put on some white in the waterline. Okay, so now I'm gonna do mascara, and this is with the Urban Decay Wild Lash Mascara. And now last, I'm just gonna wrap it up with some Kat Von D lipstick, and this is shade Ludwig. I don't know. Beethoven to me, you know? I'm pretty sure that that is the look, so I'll go ahead and show you it in some better light because this ain't it. Alright everybody, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. And comment what you'd like to see next.